This video will give you an introduction to the semi-automatic scoring systems in the Ortho Analyzer software. We will explain the scoring systems, show you how to download one, and how to prepare a model set for scoring. You will also learn the tooth numbering system used when scoring in the Ortho software. Scoring systems are a collection of various orthodontic analysis, for example, crowding, overjet, deep bite, midline discrepancy, and many more. The semi-automatic scoring systems will be accessible in Ortho Analyzer from the feature Questionnaires. The different scoring systems will be available for download in the Ortho Control Panel's Download Center. To download, you should open the Ortho Control Panel and enter the Download Center. If the list is empty, click Refresh. Highlight the item you would like to download and click the Download button. Save and close the control panel. Now, launch the Ortho Analyzer application. As a result, the new PAR index option will become available in the Analysis section in the Questionnaires feature. As a result, the new PAR index option will become available in the Analysis section in the Questionnaires feature. You will need to prepare a model set before performing a scoring with one of the scoring systems. The necessary preparation in the Ortho Analyzer involves a couple of steps: segmentation of the maxillary and the mandibular, standard plane should be set, and overbite, overjet should be set for the 4 overjet incisor teeth, the overbite 2 central incisors. It is worth remembering that you don't need to segment and measure all the teeth, just the ones required in the questionnaire. Before you start, you also need to know the tooth numbering system used in our semi-automatic scoring systems. We use the Palmer notation for teeth numbering, even if another numbering system is selected in the Ortho Analyzer. Here is an example of a landmark UR1D, which is a distal landmark on the upper incisor on the right side. Here is an example of an arch line UL7D to UL5D, which is the distance between the upper left tooth, number 7 distal landmark, to the upper left tooth, number 5 distal landmark. In this video, you have learned what the semi-automatic scoring systems are in the Ortho Analyzer and how to prepare a model set before getting started with the scoring and how to download them from the Download Center. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.